Plano Overhead Garage Door provides same-day, 30-minute arrival windows and a text with the technician's picture and brief bio, along with a link to track them in real time and route to your home using your phone. Our fully certified, background checked, and fully insured technicians provide free written estimates and drive fully stocked company trucks. We provide free lifetime warranties on our new springs, opener motors, and garage doors at no additional charge. Call 972-GARAGES to experience our award-winning service today. Plano Overhead Garage Door.